All right, so this is class 1 test results. I know it's a little bit blurry, but I'm trying some new software, so we'll see how this works. So the first thing we should probably do is organize our results, because we need to know the order of them. We need to know what the middle value is in the rank from lowest to highest. So in this set, the smallest value is 69. Let's get a smaller point here. So let's put 69, cross that out. So we've got a 70, a 71, 72. So you get the idea. So I'm going to arrange all of the data from smallest to largest. Awesome. So I've got my data values. There are 21 data values here. So for the 5-number summary, I need to find the median first. That's the middle value. So if I've got 21 values, that means I've got one value sitting in the middle with 10 on the left and 10 on the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this one right here should be sitting in the middle, 10 on the left, 10 on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good to check myself. So 75 there. This particular value right here, well, I'm going to undo that because it kind of covers it up. But that 75 is our median. We're going to exclude this now as we look at the bottom half of numbers to find Q1, our first quartile. So we've got 10 values on the left, and we need to split this in half. So that will be 5 on the left, 5 on the right. Remember, we're excluding the median. We're just looking at the lower half of the values. And when we look at the lower half and the upper half of that lower part, we split them up right there. That's the middle point. And we look at these two to try to see what is between these two numbers. So we could add them and divide by 2. We could see that between them is just 73. We're going to do something similar for the upper 10 values. To find Q3, we're going to find the middle of these values. So again, we're going to have 5 on the left, 5 on the right. There's the split. That would be the middle. So we're going to look at these two to find out what the middle would be. We could add them and divide by 2, and we're going to get 78. So let's find our interquartile range. It's Q3, which is 78, minus Q1, which is 73. So 78 minus 73. Our interquartile range is 5. Our lower fence will be Q1, which is 73, minus 1.5 times our interquartile range, which we just found is 5. I'm going to grab my calculator. And this gives me 65.5. I don't know why it's not writing. 65.5. There we go. So anything lower than 65. Now I know why I wasn't writing. Anything lower than 65.5 would be an outlier. There is nothing lower. Our lowest is 69, so no lower outliers. Let's check our upper side. Q3, which is 78, plus 1.5 times our interquartile range of 5. Grabbing my calculator again. I get 85.5. And our highest value is 81, so we don't have anything higher than that. So there are no outliers. Nothing smaller than 65.5 or larger than 85.5. So that means that our minimum is 69, our maximum is 81, and this creates our 5-number summary. So I'm going to go ahead and do my box plot. I need to capture the numbers 69 up to 81. So maybe I'll go 60, 70, 80, 90. I like to do something kind of rough, and then I'll split it by 5. So we can see 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. My minimum is 69, which is about here. Q1 is 73, about there. Q2, 75, and Q3, 78. That makes our middle box. And our maximum value of 81 over here. This gives us our whiskers. Let's make a different color to label our values here. Our min of 69, Q1 73, Q2 75, Q3 78, and our maximum of 81.